We can allocate the time in 3 different time frames. The first 10 minutes we can allocate for understanding the question and for planning and organizing. And the second 10 minutes we can spend for writing itself. And the last 10 minutes we can spend for proofreading. So let me explain for the first 10 minutes. In the first 10 minutes time, the first job for you is to understand the question. Many people have a lot of issues with understanding the question. I hope it will not happen with you. Because if you can't understand the question very clearly, then whatever skills or strategies you follow, it will not avail for you. It will not help you anyway. You will not make good writing. So understanding the question is the key. Here we have some problems as well. Some people just read it and they think, I got it. But it's not the story. Rather, you need to perceive it from the very deep of your heart. How we can do it? We can interpret the question. We can make paraphrasing. That will do the thing very simple for you. And the second thing we need to do here in the first 10 minutes time is planning. There will be different organs of our writing: introduction, body paragraphs, and conclusion. So at least for body paragraphs, we can make a plan that what would be our topic sentence and how we can organize our supporting details part. So that would really help you in the later part of your writing. So here we move to the second frame of our time allocation. Here we'll have 20 minutes time for writing itself. While you have made a wonderful planning, then it will not take too long to write itself. So you just need to write very naturally without thinking much. You don't need to think about different ideas, various examples, how to organize it, because you're already done with it. You just need to put focus on your writing and having a little bit of control on the other criteria, for example, for grammar and vocabulary use and cohesion and coherence, stuff like this. But still, it would be really very flexible for you. However, some people may have some problem with completing writing in just 20 minutes time. In this case, you need to make a lot of practices while you are preparing for the test. However, if you are preparing for the computer-based test, in this case, you need to make a lot of typing in order to comply with the time frame. The last 10 minutes time, we need to allocate for proofreading. We need to do two things here. The first thing is identifying the mistakes that you have made in our writing. For example, if there is some issues with punctuation, if there is a mistake with any spelling, we just need to find it out and to solve one by one. And secondly, we must put focus on improving our writing. For example, if there are two sentences which are simple sentences together, so we can just add a coordinating conjunction in between of these two simple sentences and make it a compound sentence. That will help us to get a good score because it will add range. It's not just about the simple sentences, because we are showing examiner that I can make some compound sentences as well. Or it can be any word that we have used doesn't comply with the situation. We can use the better word in order to meet the collocation. In other words, we can replace the old word with the new words. So this is how we always need to put focus how to improve the writing. Unfortunately, many people don't focus on it. But trust me, even the finest writer in the world, they spend a lot of time on it to improve the writing. So you must allocate time for this.